Hello students, welcome back to again grade 12 physical education class. So dear students, firstly continue to 3 days back discussion chapter number 3 yoga and lifestyle, but today also revision started in chapter number 3. So especially our topic is today asanas. Okay, especially preventions of diseases. So dear students, today our surrounding many diseases, every family members BP, obesity, diabetes, hypertension. So anyone disease in coming in our families. Okay, this is our poor lifestyle. Yeah, our not good postures. So day by day diseases are increasing. So dear students, our chapter is yoga and lifestyle. Special topic is our asanas. So asana is the main benefits of asanas in our life. And first is main, especially obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension. This is diseases. So prevention of these diseases, obesity diseases, diabetes diseases, asthma diseases, and hypertension diseases. This diseases prevention of is main asanas. So especially first we will describe is obesity. So obesity is disease, especially preventions of obesity diseases. This types of asanas, especially Vajrasanas, Hastotana asanas, and Trikona asanas. This type 3 asanas today describe again remove obesity. Okay, so first is especially is main Vajra asana. Okay, so firstly, what is Vajra asana? Again, I am repeating. Firstly, see the picture of Vajrasana and after this explain this topic. Okay, first is Vajra asana. So Vajra asana is main this type of asana. Okay, this is sitting posture. Okay, Saibnur Singh, beta check. This is Vajrasana. So Vajrasana is the remove obesity. Okay, and Saibnur Singh, beta video is clear. Please send message. Video is clear, Sahib Nur Singh. I am waiting for your message. Sahib Nur Singh, beta, I am waiting for your message. Video is clear. I think. Okay, so check. Especially pictures. See the picture of Vajrasana again. Okay. So dear students, especially this is Vajrasana. So especially preventions of Vajrasana, obesity disease is removed. So obesity disease is removed. So especially Vajrasana is the main. Firstly, prevention of Vajrasanas and benefits of Vajrasana. Especially first is procedure of this is main. Yeah, precautions of and benefits 3 are explained today. Every asanas main. Vajrasana is the main. Especially procedure of this is main. Sit with legs extended together, hands by the sit of the body, resting on the ground. So after this, main is fold the leg, lift at the knee and place the foot under the left buttock. And same is similarly fold the right leg and place the foot under the right buttock. And main place both the heels so that the big toes overlap each other. And position the buttock in the shape between the heels. So keep the hands on respective knees. Okay. Next is keep the spine erect, gaze in front or close the eyes in the beginning while you can stay for 10 to 15 seconds. It means as your capacity. So while returning to the original position, bend little towards right side, take out your left leg and extend it. So after this, benefits of this asana is obesity, main it is meditative posture and help in corrections. After that, it removes our digestive system. After this, it strengthens muscles of thighs and calf. Next is it decrease posture defects. Next is it improves memory power. After this, it reduce mental stress. And after this, it provides relief from pills. And last is it prevents hernia diseases. Okay, this is the specially benefits our obesity also removed, and benefits of this asanas. Okay, not for one, more diseases is removed for asanas. Especially Vajrasana is the remove for obesity, especially. Okay, so after this is main precautions of this asana is in the final posture, spine must be straight and heel should be outside and buttock should be resting on the heels, and do not bend forward or backward while sitting in the asana. This is main Vajrasanas. Okay, after this second asana is Hastottanasana asana. Okay, so especially Hastottanasana asana. Hastottanasana asana is the main. Firstly, again see picture of Hastottanasana asana. This is especially open your book and see the picture, and after this is Hastottanasana asana. Okay, this is, see the picture all. So dear students, Hastottanasana asana, especially Hastottanasana is made up for three words: Hasta, Uttana, Asana. Hasta means arms and Uttanama means stretched up, and Asana means posture. It means in this posture arms are stretched upward, so that is why is called Hastottanasana asana. Okay, main procedure of this asana is stand erect on the ground with both feet together. Inhale slowly and raise both arms over the head with palms facing up. Interlock your fingers, and next is exhale and bend from the waist towards the right side and maintain this position comfortable for 5 to 10 seconds. This is procedure. And next is inhale and come to the center. After this, benefits of especially this asana is it relaxes the whole body, it removes obesity, it relieves the muscles pain in neck, shoulder and arm, especially Hastottanasana asana. After this, it helps in increase the height of growing children. And next is especially it increase the flexibility to spine. Main precautions of this asana is especially one should bend from the waist only and stretch the arm up and much as possible. And next is one should not bend forward. This is procedures. So dear students, this is especially second asana is obesity removed. After this third asana is Trikonasana. So Trikonasana especially is the main, especially improve our body posture. So Trikonasana is the main. Our especially Trikonasana, see the picture of this is firstly I think this one Trikona Asana. This is alternate toe touch type standing position and alternate toe touch type asanas. Okay, this is Trikona Asana. I think see the picture again. This is Trikona Asana. So dear students, Trikona Asana is the main, especially in Sanskrit, Trikon words mean triangle. In the asanas, the body makes the shape of triangle. So it is called Trikona Asana. Triangle means alternate toe touch type side bending. Okay, so next is procedure of this asana, especially Trikona Asana. So again I am saying, after this asanas, every day doing this asanas, so remove obesity. Okay, not for one time or two time, every day continue doing exercises, especially asanas. So procedure of this asana is made: stand erect, keep your legs together and hands by the side of the thighs, and now open your leg 1 to 2 feet apart. And next is stretch the arms sideways and rise them to shoulder level. Your arms should be parallel to the floor in one straight line. After this, next is bend to the left side from the waist towards the floor. And next is place the left hand on the left foot. Okay, this is especially stretch the arm, stretch the right arm up. Here the two arm will be at the angle of 180 degree. Maintain this position with normal breathe comfortable for 5 to 10 seconds. And the right arm can be further bent toward left side, keeping arm at the angle of 90 degree. This is especially practical parts also is to come back, lift the left palm and stretch your trunk and bring the arms in the line with shoulders parallel to the floor. Okay, this is the main precautions. After this is preventions. After this is benefits of especially Trikonasana. So benefits is the main. Trikonasana is the helps in stretching up the muscles to trunk, leg and hip. And next is helps improving the flexibility to spine. It helps to increase the height of growing child. It helps in relieving the pain in the neck and back, and helps the reducing exercise fat around waist. It means remove obesity, especially for stomach. Okay, helps in improving digestion by stimulating the abdominal organs. And the next is increase blood circulation, strength muscles to leg, knee, chest and arm. This is main benefits. After this is main is precautions of this asana, especially Trikonasana. Bend from the waist only and as much as possible. Maintain the final posture with normal breathing, and do not bend the knee while turning sideward, and don't bend beyond capacity. This is main precautions. So after this, next disease is diabetes. After this, after obesity is diabetes. Okay, so diabetes is also is the three asanas main: Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Pavan Muktasana, and extra asanas also. But this asana is especially benefited of this main Bhujanga asana. Bhujanga asana is the main, especially is firstly look at this picture. This is sitting posture. Okay, Bhujanga asanas. It means, again see the picture. Bhujanga asana. What do you student? Bhujanga asana means, especially it means Bhujanga asana, comparing to two words, Bhujang and asana. Bhujang means arms, especially in Sanskrit. Bhujanga means cobra, snake, and asana means posture. In the final stage of the asana, the body resembles the shape of horned snake. It means therefrom the posture is called Bhujanga asanas. It means proper posture, and bend, stretch in proper stay our body in hands and stretch neck. This is Bhujanga asana. Next is main precautions of firstly procedure of this asana is main Bhujanga asana. So especially lie on the ground on your stomach with forehead touching the floor. So especially legs together, hand by the side of thighs. And next is float the arm and elbow and place the palms by the side to the shoulder, and with tips of the fingers not crossing the shoulder line. And next is inhaling slowly, raise the head first, then neck, and after that shoulders. shoulder should be surged backward. Okay, it means backward. And raise the trunk up to navel region. Raise the chin as high as possible. After this is eye should gaze upward, proper upward. Next is maintain the position for 5 to 10 seconds or as long as comfortable. And to come back, bring down the upper part of navel region, then chest, then shoulder, then chin and head in the last. After this is repeat the asana 3 to 5 times. Okay. After this is main benefits of this asana is especially it helps to make spinal column flexibility. And next is it cures digestive problems. So digestive problem also is the improved for this asana, especially Bhujanga asana, and reduce especially it helps the decrease obesity also for this asana, Bhujanga asana, and it increase intra-abdominal pressure benefiting the internal organs, especially the liver and kidneys. Okay, it is useful in treatment of constipation and indigestion, and it especially it increase circulation of blood. Okay, so next is main benefit also is it strengthens abdominal and hand muscles, and it reduce it means sugar level also is leveled for Bhujanga asana. It means our digestive system is improved, so also sugar system is bilkul already is correct. So main is precaution of this asana is especially put minimum weight on head and distribute weight on the back. Distribute weight on the back. The trunk shoulder be raised up to the navel only. While rising, shoulder should be shrugged backward and lift your body slowly without any jerk. Slowly, slowly. Don't allow the elbows to spurt out. This is main precautions. Okay. So after this is main. Next is Paschimottanasana asana. So Paschimottanasana asana is the. This is also is the sitting asana. Okay. Paschimottanasana asana. This is Paschimottanasana is the this type. Okay, so any doubt for students? Again, see the picture. Paschimottanasana. Haji Harshdeep Singh, beta picture is clear. Again I am saying, any problem for today? Video related. Beta, any doubt for video related today? Okay. Buffering started. Okay. So here, this is especially is Paschimottanasana. So Paschimottanasana is the specially Paschimottanasana means stretching the regions of the body. So main is it Sanskrit Paschimottana means especially is the postures of Uttana means stretched up. It is the posture is Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana is the specially for procedure of this asana is firstly see the picture all is Paschimottanasana. Okay. This is specially perform Paschimottanasana asana is specially procedure of sit and extend the legs together. It means bend the elbow, make hooks with the index finger, and bend the body forward and curved. Hold to the toes with the hooks of the finger. Okay. Next, try placing the hand between the arms. And the next is keeping a little bend in the elbows and without bending the knees. Try and touch the forehead with the knee. Maintain the position for 5 to 10 seconds. It means as you capacity. Okay. Next is raise the head slowly, and next is release the hold the toe, not keeping the body erect. Bring the hooks of the fingers and straight the chest. Okay, near the chest. Okay, next is sit with the legs extended together. After this is main benefits of this asana, Paschimottanasana is the main, especially it gives a good posterior stretch to the spinal column. Next is our, especially it helps to increase the flexibility of the spinal and abdominal muscles. After this, it helps to improve the blood circulation in organs of the abdominal regions. Next is it helps to correct posture deformities. Next, it is helpful in treating constipations. And next is improve digestions, especially digestion system improve, so our diabetes is removed. It means extra diabetes. Okay, it means sugar level may maintain. So specialists help to relieve symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort, and smooths headache and reduce anxiety for this asana. After this, precautions of this asana, Paschimottanasana is the main. Exhale with bending forward of facing the bending. Next is relax the muscles while bending forward. Maintain the final position at the comfortable level. This will gradually help in further progress. And last is avoid jerks and strain while assuming and releasing the posture. After then, last is don't bend the knees while touching the forehead with the knees. This is precautions. After this, next is main. Next asana is Pavan Mukta Asana. So Pavan Mukta Asana is the, firstly see picture. This is laying asana. See the picture. Pavan Mukta Asana. Clear? One time more see. Pavan Mukta Asana. Okay. This is Pavan Mukta Asana. It means laying positions. So Pavan Mukta Asana is the main. In Sanskrit, the words Pavana means air and wind, and Mukta means freedom or relaxation. This is called the wind releasing posture at the assistant in releasing therapies, digestive gas from the stomach and intestines. Okay, this is Pavan Mukta Asana. So after this is main procedure of this asana is the main lie on the back with leg together, the hand kept by the side of the body, palms resting on the floor. Inhale and fold the both the legs at the knee over the belly. After this is hold the knees with the interlocked arms and press them on the belly. And after this is exhaling, raise the head and let the chin touch the knees. After this is inhaling, bring the head down slowly. And last is relax the interlocked arm and bring them on the floor. And exhaling, unfold the legs back on the floor. This is specially procedure of this is. After this is benefits of this asana is especially this asana help in increasing digestive power. So our digestive power is improved, so diabetes is removed. Clear? Especially next is it helps to deter constipation by stimulates the abdominal regions. Next, it helps in rising trapeze gas from the stomach. It means especially releasing trapped gas from the stomach. After this, it strengthens abdominal and back muscles. It increase the tone of muscles of arm and legs. And after this, it helps to stretch the lower back. It means lower back. After this, is main precautions of this asana is the main. It causes pressure, press and contract at the lower abdominal, and hence should be practices careful, and the knees should be together while pressing against the chest, and don't shake the body and avoid jerk movement. It means slowly, relax movement. Avoid bending the head if suffering from spondylitis. Okay, this is the main specially precautions. So after this is the three asanas of diabetes related. So after this, next is asthma. So asthma asana is the specially our respiratory system removed. It means respiratory system is continue breathing. It means our respiratory system day by day improved. Few asthma problems. Okay, especially firstly see this picture of Sukh Asana. This is asthma related asana. Sukh Asana. Okay, Sukh Asanas. Okay, again see picture. Proper sitting, relax movement. This is Sukhasana. So dear students, Sukhasana is the main specially benefits of this asana is main. This is the proper sitting, and procedure of this asana is sit on the mat with legs stretched out in front, and bend the right leg at the knee and place the foot under the left thigh, and use the hands to do this. And now bend the left leg and place the left foot under the right leg. And after this, keep the body balanced and easily erect. And next is stand the arms so that the wrist rest on the knee, palms turned upward. Okay, so after this, benefits of especially Sukhasana is especially it stretches and lengthens your spine. Especially it climbs your mind. Especially enhance your condition of peacefulness and serenity, and kick out anxiety, stress and mental tiredness. It helps in improving body posture. It helps in reducing fatigue. It strengthens your back. It stretches your ankle and knees. Especially it provides relaxation to body and mind. Okay, and especially for this is the our respiratory system is improved. It means our breathing system is improved. Slowly breathe exercises. Okay, especially is asthma related. So after this is main, especially is precautions of this is don't perform on the unable place. To do the asanas on a mat, and it should be done slowly and smoothly. Don't force the knee down. Keep the spine, neck and head in the balanced erect condition. This is especially Sukhasana precautions. After this is main Chakrasana. So Chakrasana is the main, especially is this is standing. Two types of asana is chakra. One is especially this type asanas. Okay, This is Chakra Asana. Okay. Proper standing asanas. Okay. Chakrasana is the main, especially the words chakra means wheel. In this asana, the body assimilate the shape of the wheel, so it is called chakrasana. This asana improves flexibility of whole body, especially the back. Main precautions of this is especially lie on your back. Okay, so after this main is bend the knees, heels touching the buttocks, keep both the feet 12 inches apart. Next is raise the arm up, bending them at the elbow, take them behind over the head, especially place the palm on the floor beside the head, fingers pointing towards the shoulders. Okay, after this is gradually raise the body and arch the back and strengthen the arm and legs. Move the hands further towards the feet as far as your especially feet comfortable. Maintain the position for 5 to 10 seconds and slowly lower your body in the manage so that the head rests on the floor and lower down rest of the body and lie at on your back and relax. This is the specially procedures. Okay, after this is main benefits of chakrasana is especially it makes spine flexible. It helps to remove reduce of the bone and joints it middle back. It helps to improve digestion. It removes the functioning of heart. It means functioning of heart is proper, our respiratory is cleared. It is helpful in back pain. It is benefit, especially it is helpful in back pain, especially reducing related. It procedure relief from stress and reduce depression. It prevents hernia diseases also. It means yoga, one asana is many diseases removed. So after this is main, especially precautions of this asana is lift your body carefully. Keep the arms and leg straight as much as possible in final position. Okay, this is especially related precautions of chakra asanas. So main is last, persons having shoulder impingement should not perform this asana. Yeah, person having wrist tendonitis should not perform this asanas. Okay, so especially of this asana, yeah, do not give jerk to the spine. It means jerk problem is the main this asana. Yeah, do not stretch too much while bringing the hand towards feet. Okay, so after this is main, next asana is Gaumukha asana. So Gaumukha asana is also is the especially, this is cow pose. Gau means cow. This is Gaumukha asana. Especially this asana is main Gaumukha asana. Okay. Proper sitting. Okay, Gaumukha asana. So Gaumukha asana is the especially it procedure. Main benefits of this asana is the it increase concentration and inducts inner paces. It help in correcting posture deformation like dropping shoulders. It helps in improving lung capacity. It helps in arthritis. Yeah, it reduces stress and anxiety. Next, main precautions of this is always keep the heels in touch with buttocks. Keep the knees one over the other. And next is keep the head and the neck erect without bending the joint. And look in front. This is main precautions. So after this is main hypertension. So hypertension is also is the main problem of main problem of BP winter. Okay, so especially first asana is main Tadasana. Okay, so especially this one is Ardha Chakrasana, Tadasana is the main. Especially see the picture of this is Tadasana. This is Tadasana. Clear? Standing posture. Tadasana. Clear? So Tadasana is the specially our main. This is a standing position. Stand erect, feet together, hand by the side of the thighs. Keep the back stretch and look in front. Stretch the arms upward. Keep them straight and parallel to each other in vertical position with the palms facing each other. So slowly raise heels as much as you can and stand on toes. So stretch body up as much as possible. Maintain the position for 5 to 10 seconds comfortable. To come back, bring the heels on the floor first. Slowly bring down the hands by the side of the thighs and relax. After this is main benefits of this asana, especially for Tadasana is the main. It gives stretch to whole body muscles. It helps to strengthening thighs, knees and ankles, especially reduce hypertension. And by doing this asana regularly, children can increase their height. It helps to remove laziness. It helps to treat digestion problems. It is helpful to reduce scatics. Yeah, it is helpful to treat hypertension. Again, I am saying. Okay. So next is main asana is Ardha Chakra asana. So Ardha Chakra asana is the also especially Ardha Chakra. Firstly described in the Asthma asana is the Chakrasana. This is Ardha Chakra asana for hypertension. This is also is a stretching related asana. Okay. This is standing asana. Okay. So standing asana is the main. Firstly, see picture Ardha Chakra asana. Okay. I hope you all are clear. See the picture. Ardha Chakrasana is the main, especially the whole Ardha means half and Chakra means wheel and the Asana means pose. The asana help to prepare the body for more intense asana like Chakra asana. This is main procedure of this asana is main, especially Ardha Chakrasana is the stand straight with feet together and arms alongside of the body. It means proper. Balance your weight equal on both feet. Inhaling, extend your arms overhand, palms facing each other. Exhaling, gentle bend forward, pushing the pelvis forward, keeping. Okay, the arm in the with the air, arms in the air, and elbow and knees straight, head up, and lift your chest towards the ceiling. Just ceiling. Okay, so hold, inhaling, come back up. Exhaling, bring the arms down and relax. This is main procedure. After this is benefits of this asana. Stretch the front upper toes. Especially tones the arm and shoulder muscles. It helps in regulating the high blood pressures. It has cleans effect on nervous system. It helps in improving digestion. It helps to relax the stress and tension. It is helpful in measuring disorders, and especially it is helpful to treat hypertension. So dear students, this is our benefits, and main is precautions of this is avoid bending sideways. Okay, keep the breath slow and rhythmic. This asana should be performed gently, bending deeply only when mind is ready. Okay, so this is main, especially precautions of Ardha Chakrasana. After this, last point is Vajrasana. So Vajrasana also is a repeat asana of obesity related. It means Vajrasana is the proper sitting posture. This is the first asana today, obesity related. So obesity related and hypertension is related, same asana. Okay. again I am saying yoga's one asana reduce many types of diseases. This is Vajra asana. This asana reduce obesity and reduce hypertension. Okay students, so dear students, I hope you understand this topic. So any student doubt for this any topic, so send message for this number. I hope you understand this topic. So any student, any doubt for any asanas, especially related diseases, and remove after asanas, remove this type of diseases: obesity, diabetes, asthma, and hypertension. So I hope you understand this asanas and doing yoga asanas every day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.